Even if the RAID 6 array you're reassembling contains errors, in most cases TaskForce will be able to detect all of its parameters and is likely to even image the whole RAID. Let's see how it works. As TaskForce parses the data on the drive and detects errors, it shows the error tags next to the respective RAID members. Hover over the tag to see the number of the encountered errors. Despite the errors on the drive, TaskForce is able to mount the partitions of the RAID for preview using data redundancy of this RAID. During imaging, when an error is encountered, TaskForce automatically reconstructs the missing data on the fly. It uses the data in the parity blocks on the remaining members of the RAID. This process is seamless, needs no involvement of the operator, and allows recovering the full image. The imaging report reflects all the details of the RAID, including its configuration, member drives, the imaged sector range, and the hash calculated during the session. Because all of the data has been successfully reconstructed and imaged, the number of errors reflected in the report is 0.